Comparatives part 4. Heavy, heavier. Changing I by IER. Let's start. We use noun, verb to be, short adjective ended in Y, substituted by IER. Then we use ten, and finally we use a noun. Example number 1. Ñuño is heavier than Kiko. Ñoño is heavier than Kiko. Example number 2. Marco is happier than Charlie. Marco is happier than Charlie. Example number 3. Patty is prettier than La Chilindrina. Patty is prettier than La Chilindrina. Next example. English is easier than math. English is easier than math. Okay, my dear friends, this is all what I can tell you about this comparative form. To watch next video, click where the arrow points. See you in the next one.